Hi, thanks for joining me again. Today, I'm going to answer the question, what should I be asking an artist? And today we're going to talk about what paint colors should I be using as a watercolor beginner artist. Well, you could simply use what's affordable, but what I've also encouraged people is to have two of each color. And having two of each color, have a warm color and a cool color. That could be such as having a cad yellow and having a yellow ochre color. I also like golden ochre by Winsor. Not that I'm sponsored by Winsor, it's just a favorite color I have. I'm not necessarily telling you to go buy specific colors, but the point is I have a cool color and a warm color. You can have a mineral violet or you can have a moon glow. Whatever you can afford in your beginner stage. For intermediate, what I like to just encourage you guys is to try different colors, try different brands. I also like Holbein. I also enjoy Rembrandt and also Daniel Smith. So for those of you that keep asking me, what colors should I get? Well, I shop what's on sale, and there's a few colors I keep reordering each time. So don't fret it, just try it out, have one cool, one warm, and test it out. And let me know what you think. So you can go to GabrielStocktonFineArt.com and opt in for one of my free ebooks that's up right now, Sketches to Watercolor, and check this out. It's free. So all you gotta do is opt in, and when you opt in, you can be able to ask me other questions. And I would be glad to answer any questions that you have for what should I be asking an artist. Take care. See ya. Bye.